just about 5 years ago, I think, Novarc phoned the welding office and they got a hold of Mark, and they needed a experienced welder as a consultant for their robotic project. And Mark didn't want to do it or couldn't do it at the time, and he asked me if I could do it. So I went and started working for them as a consultant. And it's been 5 years now. I'm glad to say, very happy that I got to join that project. It's turned out to be pretty awesome. Learned a lot. There's a lot of science. There's a lot of leading edge technology being put into action to develop this welding robot. It's pretty amazing because it's going to change the way we do things in the industry as a whole. I think it's going to evolve into a very, very diverse welding robot that is going to cover a lot more than just pipe. But for now, we're welding pipe in the 1G, the roll position, and it's producing X-ray quality at the same speed as a human, but at the same time, it produces 3 times more than a human because it doesn't stop. And the human that operates it, it's a welder, but the welder is in comfort behind a screen, behind a monitor, monitoring this thing through a computer. So that way you can actually have almost all day arc time on. So it's going to change the way we do things for sure. And I'm very, very glad to be part of this leading edge technology that is changing the pipe industry around the world. So I want to thank the department and all the people that support me and the people that are open to the future. If you're not, I invite you to look into it. Please come and ask me, come visit, take a look. We're here, we're open, we're happy and glad to introduce ourselves to anybody who's interested in the technology and what we're doing. It's pretty cool.